personal safety stands as a paramount concern for all individuals. In an increasingly uncertain world, readiness to confront any potential threat has become indispensable. Gratefully, progress in technology has given rise to the creation of ingenious self-defense devices, bestowing individuals with the capability to ensure their own protection. Within this presentation, we will delve into the realm of 5 exceptional self-defense gadgets, unveiling their potential to safeguard you across diverse scenarios. Unveiled earlier this year by the manufacturer, the TASER 10 arrives with the compelling slogan, "Every second counts." Its primary objective centers around a substantial reduction, by 50% over a decade, of firearm-related fatalities involving law enforcement and the general public. With a total of 10 charges at its disposal, the TASER 10 equips law enforcement agencies to immobilize criminals from distances of up to 14 meters. These charges exhibit impressive swiftness, hurtling forward at a velocity of 62 meters per second. Notably, this innovative tool boasts several advanced features. It embraces virtual reality, VR, compatibility, enriching its versatility. Furthermore, purpose-built programs have been developed to augment its capabilities. Integral to these advancements is the integration of cloud-based reporting, enabling the seamless transmission of crucial data. A remarkable addition to the TASER 10's repertoire is the introduction of a smart holster. This ingenious holster is imbued with the capability to discern when a police officer draws their TASER. In response, it expeditiously activates the cameras to initiate video recording, securing invaluable evidentiary footage. Resembling a firearm at first glance, the PepperBall TCP serves a unique purpose as a non-lethal self-defense solution. Its design centers on providing you with the essential time and space required to evade potential threats. Excelling in creating a safe buffer between you and danger, this device boasts an impressive engagement span that extends up to 150 feet. By ensuring you remain beyond the grasp of harm, you gain a significant advantage. Upon activation of the PepperBall shooter, it projects specialized projectiles containing potent pepper irritant. Upon impact, these projectiles burst, releasing an incapacitating cloud of irritant powder. This potent irritant inflicts intense discomfort, temporary loss of vision, and breathing difficulties, creating an opportune window for you to plot an escape route. The PepperBall TCP proves to be an outstanding self-defense instrument, characterized by its inconspicuous profile and lightweight construction, which facilitates discreet carrying. Remarkably, the TCP offers minimal recoil, guaranteeing control even in high-stress scenarios. Its compact size allows for easy holster storage, ensuring swift accessibility whenever required. Furthermore, the TCP extends flexibility in terms of cartridge options, allowing you to choose between carbon dioxide and dinitrogen based on your preferences and availability. This versatility aligns with the PepperBall TCP's overarching design philosophy. A fusion of potency, precision, and adaptability, the TCP launcher establishes itself as an effective non-lethal self-defense remedy. By affording you the means to maintain a safe distance and neutralize threats when necessary, it elevates your personal safety and tranquility to new heights. Elevate your security with the Sabre Defense Spray, complete with a rapid-release curing. This state-of-the-art solution integrates a cutting-edge 3-in-1 formula. Sabre combines maximum-strength pepper spray, CS military tear gas, and UV marking dye to yield unmatched stopping power. In situations where a notable physical disadvantage is present, this spray can level the playing field. It enables effective self-defense without the need for extensive physical prowess or combat expertise. Designed for resilience, this robust case unit boasts an ergonomic finger grip design, underlining its durability. With a simple touch, you gain improved precision and proper hand alignment, resulting in quicker deployment. This design consideration guarantees that your focus remains steadfastly on the threat. The police-grade pepper spray discharges a potent stream, significantly minimizing wind blowback. This attribute empowers you to safeguard yourself from a safe distance. With 25 bursts at your disposal, you possess substantial protection against multiple potential threats. Facilitating swift accessibility, the quick-release mechanism, coupled with its detachable keychain, ensures immediate reach to your pepper spray. This keychain can be effortlessly affixed, ensuring maximum portability, so you can carry it wherever you venture. To cater to diverse preferences, the Sabre Defense Spray is available in a range of colors. This choice offers added assurance for the security of your loved ones. Renowned within law enforcement, the ASP Friction or F-Series baton has attained legendary status. Its design is straightforward yet functional, employing the taper of its shafts to establish a secure lock in the extended position, all without relying on internal moving components. To retract the friction baton, a forceful impact against a solid surface is necessary. The F-batons are constructed using our exclusive 4140 steel or the weight-saving 7075 T6 aluminum, rendering them practically impervious to damage. Enhanced durability is further accentuated by our signature foamed vinyl grip, ensuring optimal retention in all environments. With diverse grip alternatives and an array of metal finishes to choose from, the F-batons cater to individual preferences. These batons are offered in expanded lengths of 16, 21, or 26 inches, supported by an extensive selection of cases and accessories to meet varied needs. Derived from the inspiration of the LYRA constellation, this knife boasts a distinctive form. The central aim was to conceive a compact knife that comfortably accommodates a four-finger grip. The specifications are as follows: a blade length of 3 cm, an extended position length of 12 cm, a folded position length of 5 cm, and a weight of 42.5 grams. The blade, meticulously fashioned from hardened D2 steel, is renowned for its extraordinary sharpness retention, positioning it as the prime choice for razor-sharp edges. The blade locking mechanism is refreshingly straightforward, employing a basic forward and backward movement facilitated by 4 hinges. And this concludes our list of the 5 best self-defense gadgets you can have. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel.